let's say you want to stop buying these sunflower seeds. So what you do is you go get you one of these tools right here, and you go find one of your neighbors that are growing these sunflowers real prolific and amazing. Just fucking show-offs, right? So you go up and you go up to their fence, right? And you start pulling out these seeds. And you just grab them out one by one. Grab out a couple here. And you take these seeds to your house and you plant them. And you grow all the sunflowers you want to grow. They're not gonna know, they're not gonna mind. I ain't gonna say they ain't gonna mind, but they're not gonna know. They'll think the birds came and ate them, the squirrels came and ate them. But you got sunflower seeds for yourself. But just make sure that they don't have one of these, or one of these, or one of these. Nah, this is my front yard food forest. These are my sunflowers. You grow sunflowers and then pick your own seeds, and then you can have dozens more, plenty more, and a ton more sunflowers that you can grow that you don't have to pay for yourself. So don't steal nobody's sunflower seeds.